In my family, people were always telling stories, you know, sharing family stories in like a performative, oratorical entertainment style. Like it was almost like a competition, like who could tell the story the best and the funniest. And to me, I just always felt like there was so much wisdom and magic and technology in those stories that I wanted to try and hold on to them. My role in the family as like an archiver of these moments, it's also the way I move through everyday life, like just moving through the city or on a walk. I notice things that no one else notices, tiny things, random things. I notice patterns and connections and synchronicities and things. I'm always taking photographs of, you know, smallest, most insignificant thing, but to me it all kind of comes together in this like symphony of a hyper reality. The size of the space is the #1 determining formal factor for this piece, and so I really wanted to think, how can I occupy this much space in a way that feels like one unified piece? And so immediately the idea of this rainbow gradient came to my mind. For a lot of people, when they see the rainbows in my work, they think of joy or obviously pride. And I love that that's accessible to people. But really for me, I think of the rainbow more as this organizing structure. It's like a system. It's a way to make order out of chaos and unity out of disparate things. With the title, you know, How to Fly, I'm always thinking about like impossible things and the space between just trying. We're probably not gonna fly, but just thinking about what it means to think about something that's impossible. I like to hold space for that.